Feeling the words, exploring kinesthetic imagery in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on descriptive language techniques. Today we're going to delve into an interesting and powerful tool that writers use to engage their readers, called kinesthetic imagery. This technique is particularly effective in helping readers feel as if they are part of the scene. So, let's jump right into the world of movement and physical sensations. Kinesthetic imagery, in the simplest terms, is a descriptive technique that portrays movement or the sensation of physical action. It's the kind of imagery that allows you to feel the movement in the text. This could be anything from the adrenaline rush of a character running away from danger, the graceful pirouettes of a ballerina, to the simple act of brushing your hair. Examples of kinesthetic imagery could be: her heart pounded in her chest like a wild drum as she raced through the forest. Or, he stretched lazily, feeling the pleasant pull of tired muscles. Here, the actions and the sensations they bring are vividly described. Kinesthetic imagery is crucial because it not only makes the text more vivid and engaging, but it also helps to draw the reader in and make them feel as if they are part of the action. By appealing to our innate sense of movement and physical sensation, kinesthetic imagery allows us to experience the text in a more personal and immersive way. Using kinesthetic imagery effectively requires a balance. Overuse can lead to exhausting and over-detailed text, while underuse might result in a dull, flat narrative. The key is to use it where it can enhance the reader's understanding or engagement. When writing, consider what physical sensations or movements are important to the scene. Is your character nervous, running, dancing, or maybe cooking? Highlight these actions using kinesthetic imagery, and bring your reader into the scene. For example, instead of saying, "She was nervous," you might write, "A wave of shivers coursed down her spine, and her hands trembled slightly." Here, the physical sensations associated with nervousness are described, creating a stronger image of the emotion. That's it for today's lesson on kinesthetic imagery. This powerful tool helps to bring your writing to life, allowing your readers to feel as though they are part of the action. As with all descriptive techniques, remember to use it wisely and keep your audience in mind. I hope you find this video helpful. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll master the art of kinesthetic imagery. Until next time, happy learning, and happy writing.